It's time to switch from React to Next.js. Yeah, I said it. React is still awesome, but Next.js 16 just left it miles behind. Here's why. First, routing. No more manual React router setup. Next.js gives you a built-in app router with file-based navigation that just works. React relies on third-party libraries like React Router for navigation, requiring manual setup for URL parameters, history, and nested routes. Next.js offers a built-in file-based routing system. Every file in pages/ or app/ automatically becomes a route, simplifying configuration. This eliminates manual setup, making routing straightforward. Dynamic routes are also easily created using special file names. Second, server-side rendering. React apps depend on client rendering or extra libraries. Next.js handles SSR, ISR, and SSG natively, making your site lightning fast and SEO friendly. React primarily uses client-side rendering, where the browser downloads a basic HTML shell and then fetches content with JavaScript, leading to slower initial loads and potential SEO issues. Next.js supports server-side rendering, generating HTML on the server for each request, which significantly improves SEO and initial load times. It also offers static site generation, pre-rendering pages at build time for instant delivery via CDN, optimizing both speed and SEO. Third, data fetching. In React, it's messy. Use effect Axios, states everywhere. In Next.js 16, you can fetch directly inside your components with async server actions. Cleaner, safer, faster. React typically involves use effect hooks and libraries like Axios for client-side data fetching, often leading to scattered states and side effects after initial page load. Next.js 16's async server actions allow direct, cleaner data fetching within components. It also offers getStatic props and getServerSide props for flexible data retrieval. Fourth, performance. The new Next.js 16 compiler is written in Rust. It's insanely fast. Your builds are up to 70% quicker, and hot reloads feel instant. React's performance is heavily tied to client-side rendering, which can result in slower initial page loads and a less optimized user experience. Next.js leverages a Rust-based compiler, improving build times by up to 70% and making hot reloads instantaneous. Built-in optimizations like code splitting and image optimization further enhance speed. And finally, scalability. Next.js scales with your project, static pages, dynamic APIs, middleware, image optimization, all in one framework. While React is flexible, scaling complex projects often requires additional configuration and integrating multiple external libraries. Next.js provides built-in features like SSR and SSG, inherently enhancing scalability. Its comprehensive framework supports static pages, dynamic APIs, middleware, and image optimization for robust growth. So yeah, if you're still building in plain React, it might be time to evolve. Next.js isn't just the next step, it's the next level. Ready to switch? Let's break it down in detail. React versus Next.js, feature by feature.